Now, before we even begin, let me give you a real quick glimpse of the golden end product. There's over 200 in this. We are giving out, sending out, starting meetings, prayer groups, people who want to know God, desire God, and make an actual change. Okay, what have we here? This is what you would call an unboxing video. Been expecting this for weeks, desiring it for months, fighting with customs and the delivery company for days. Got another big bill, obviously, from customs, which is fine, that's right. I'm gonna open this up. Obviously, customs has already opened it. Let me see what I got here. I hope I got what I ordered. We sent photos, specifications to the company in China. And okay, one box. That's something else. It's getting smaller and smaller. Hopefully I don't cut a finger off. These are the Underground50 flash drives with logo. Somebody needs to teach me how to use the scissors. Okay, uh-oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, like gold dust. Okay, loads of these, loads and loads, hundreds. Let me see if we can put one up here so you can see it. Each one individually packaged. Interesting. It has loads of packaging, very well wrapped up. And tiny little USB sticks with Underground50 etched in them. That's pretty good. Looks all right. 8 gigabyte, and well, we'll see what happens. We're giving these out. We're giving hundreds of these out. This is the first batch. We're going to continue buying them, and we pay for them ourselves. But go on to underground50.net and order your free one. And if you, because they're free, I need a good reason to give you one. Write in the description, and if your reason is good enough and your address actually works, some addresses we don't have numbers. People send an address without proper post codes, air codes, and that just wastes my money, wastes my time. So get a hold of these and start your own group, start your own prayer group. This is how you change the world, people. We've been changing the world for 40 years, and we know how to do it, and it's because of and by the name of Jesus Christ. No other name under heaven given among men whereby we must be saved. God bless.